Hi and welcome to this playlist dedicated to FreeCad tutorials. FreeCad is a free computer-aided design software. You can find the download link in description. FreeCad will turn your design idea into real model and 3D printable model. In this first video, we're going to explain what is a parametric design software like FreeCad. Then we will create a first solid part. Finally, we will learn how to move around the solid and the different view commands. FreeCad is a parametric design software. It means that in order to create a part, you have to use a predetermined set of functions, and each function requires that you input parameters to them. Why is that powerful? Because all of the functions and parameters you use will be stored and accessible at any time in something called the tree view. Let's see an example. Suppose you just finished your awesome project after many hours and your boss calls and says, "The hole in this surface is not anymore a 10 mm diameter hole. In fact, it's not even a circle-shaped hole anymore. Deal with it." What do? Start over from scratch? You just can access the whole function in your tree view and modify the parameters to apply the change needed in a matter of minutes. That's a part of what makes FreeCad a powerful design software. Let's make our first solid. You just launch FreeCad for the first time and you see this screen, the starting tab. In order to make a first part, like any other software, just hit the File button, then New. We can see in the bottom of the screen that we opened a new tab. Here we can switch between documents and projects, just like in our typical internet browser. Now, let's choose the construction workbench. Hit the workbench drop-down button and select Part Design. Most of our work will happen in the Part Design and Part workbenches. The method to create a solid is to first draw a sketch on a 2D plane and then apply an operation on this sketch to create or remove material. Hit the button Create a new sketch and choose the plane which will support a 2D drawing. We choose the XY plane and press OK. You can find in the bottom right of the screen the coordinate system of our part. We now have to draw something in this sketch. Let's keep it simple for now and just make a circle. In this toolbar are located all the tools needed to create a 2D shape. We choose Create a circle in the sketcher and hit it once. Now we hover our mouse on the grid and click once to set up the center of the circle and a second time to set up its diameter. Do this operation wherever you want on the grid. Now that we're happy with the sketch, we can exit it by hitting the Close the editing of the sketch button. Let's apply an operation on the sketch. Select your drawing by clicking once on it. Selected 2D element will turn green when you click on it. And then go on this toolbar where all the operations are located. We hit Add a selected sketch and see your 2D sketch transform in a 3D cylinder. Just press OK on the left of your screen to confirm the operation, and now let's take a better look to our question. Here is the View toolbar. Hit this Axiomatic View button to get a better view of a cylinder. All of the orthogonal views are here and have a numpad shortcut, from 0 to 6. Now, let's learn how to move around the solid with the mouse. Click the middle mouse button and move the mouse to pan. Use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Clicking the middle mouse button recenters the view to the location of the cursor. To rotate around the cylinder, click first with the middle mouse button, hold it down, and then click on the right mouse button and drag the mouse around. If you lose track of your object, you can click Fit the wall content on the screen here, and then press 0 on your numpad to get back to a default view. After all this hard learning, it would be a shame to lose this wonderful cylinder. Let's save it. Nothing unusual here. Press File, then Save, and choose your folder and name. And we're done for this first video covering the very basics of computer-aided design in FreeCAD. In the next video, we will learn how to use the tree view you can see on the left of your screen, and we will go deeper into sketch making. If you like this tutorial, take a second to hit the like button and or leave me a comment about what you wish to design in FreeCAD. Thanks for watching, see you soon for tutorial number 2, bye bye!